In this video, we'll show you the best spots to visit, including Greece's yummiest foods to eat. Plus, we'll reveal incredible off-the-beaten-path destinations for an authentic experience. Hey there, fellow travelers! Today, let's explore the stunning paradise that is Greece, a country where ancient history meets breathtaking landscapes and crystal-clear waters. I've been lucky enough to experience this Mediterranean gem, and I'm excited to share the absolute must-visit spots and the perfect timing for your Greek adventure. But before we begin, don't forget to like and subscribe to help us grow our channel. Let's start with Athens, the iconic capital. The Acropolis is simply mind-blowing. Standing there, looking at the Parthenon, you can literally feel 2,500 years of history beneath your feet. Pro tip: visit early morning or late afternoon to avoid both the crowds and the intense heat. Speaking of islands, Santorini is probably that postcard-perfect destination you're dreaming of. Those whitewashed buildings with blue domes against the sparkling Aegean Sea, absolutely magical. Head to Oia for the world's most famous sunset. But here's a local secret: the village of Imerovigli offers equally stunning views with fewer tourists. Now let's talk about Mykonos, the party paradise of Greece. But it's not just about the nightlife. The iconic windmills, Little Venice, and those narrow, winding streets filled with boutiques and cafes are absolutely charming. Just remember, if you're on a budget, avoid visiting in peak season, when prices skyrocket. For a more authentic Greek experience, don't miss Crete, the largest Greek island. From the ancient palace of Knossos to the stunning Balos Lagoon and Elefantisi Beach with its pink sand, Crete offers an incredible mix of history, nature, and some of the best food in Greece. Don't forget to like and subscribe to help us grow our channel. Now, timing is everything when visiting Greece. The best time? Mid-April to mid-June or September to mid-October. You'll get perfect weather, warm enough for swimming but not scorching hot, and avoid the summer crowds. Plus, prices are more reasonable during these shoulder seasons. Summer, especially July and August, brings intense heat. We're talking 95°, 35°C, and massive crowds. While the islands are at their liveliest, you'll pay premium prices and spend more time queuing than enjoying. Winter can be surprisingly chilly in Greece, but it's perfect for exploring historical sites and enjoying cities like Athens without the tourist crowds. Some island facilities do close down though, so keep that in mind. One last insider tip: if you're island hopping, consider visiting lesser-known islands like Milos or Naxos. They're just as beautiful as their famous neighbors, but offer a more authentic experience at better prices. Remember, Greece isn't just a destination. It's an experience that combines history, culture, natural beauty, and some of the world's best cuisine. Whether you're a history buff, a beach lover, or a foodie, Greece has something special waiting for you. Just time it right, and you'll have the trip of a lifetime. Don't forget to like and subscribe to help us grow our channel. Today, let's dive into the vibrant world of Greek festivals and mouthwatering cuisine that you absolutely can't miss when visiting this beautiful Mediterranean. Let's start with the festivals that'll make your Greek adventure unforgettable. First up is the Athens Epidaurus Festival, running from June to September. Picture this: you're sitting in an ancient theater under the stars, watching world-class performances of theater and dance. It's absolutely magical. Then there's the Kalamata Dance Festival in July, where contemporary dance meets traditional Greek moves. Trust me, the energy is infectious. You might find yourself joining in before you know it. But here's my absolute favorite: the Hellenic Festival on various Greek islands. Each island puts its own spin on celebrating Greek culture, with live music, traditional dances, and yes, tons of amazing food. Speaking of food, let me tell you what you absolutely must try in Greece. First, forget everything you think you know about Greek salad until you've had an authentic choriatiki. Fresh tomatoes, cucumbers, olives, and a generous slab of feta cheese drizzled with olive oil. It's a game changer! For the meat lovers out there, souvlaki is your new best friend. These grilled meat skewers are available everywhere, but the best ones are found at local tavernas. And don't get me started on moussaka, layers of eggplant, spiced ground meat, and bechamel sauce that'll make you forget all about lasagna. Here's a local secret: look for festivals celebrating specific foods like the Santorini Cherry Tomato Festival or the Lesvos Sardine Festival. These events combine amazing local specialties with traditional music and dance. Oh, and please don't leave Greece without trying loukoumades. These little honey-drizzled dough balls are basically what I imagine clouds taste like. Pair them with a strong Greek coffee, and you've got yourself a perfect afternoon treat. For the adventurous foodies, seek out restaurants serving gamopilafo, a traditional wedding rice dish, or margaritsa, a special soup that's usually served at Easter but can be found year-round in some places. Remember, timing is everything when planning your Greek adventure. Most food festivals happen during summer, coinciding with major cultural celebrations. And here's a pro tip. Smaller island festivals often offer the most authentic experiences where you can really connect with local traditions and flavors. So pack your appetite and your dancing shoes. Greece is waiting to amaze you with its festivals and food that'll have you planning your next visit to Greece. Don't forget to like and subscribe to help us grow our channel. Thank you for watching and ring that bell to receive notification on new videos. You know, everyone's seen those picture-perfect shots of Santorini sunsets and the Acropolis in Athens, but today, I want to take you on a journey to the Greece that tourists rarely see. The authentic, soul-stirring Greece that's captured my heart. Don't forget to like and subscribe to help us grow our channel. Let me tell you something that might surprise you. The real magic of Greece isn't found in those crowded tourist hotspots. It's hidden in the narrow alleyways of lesser-known villages, where elderly women still hang their laundry across cobblestone streets, and the aroma of freshly baked spanakopita fills the air. You see, to truly experience Greece, you've got to venture off the beaten path. It's like discovering a secret book of ancient stories that most visitors never get to read. I remember wandering into a tiny mountain village in the Peloponnese region, where I found myself being invited into a local's home for coffee. That's something that would never happen in tourist-packed Mykonos. But here's the real secret to unlocking the heart of Greece. It's all about connecting with the locals. Greeks are naturally warm and hospitable people. Philoxenia, or love of strangers, isn't just a concept here, it's a way of life. When you meet real Greeks, you're not just getting directions or recommendations, you're gaining family. They'll share stories passed down through generations, teach you traditional dances in the village square, and show you their favorite hidden beaches that you won't find in any guidebook. Let me share one of my favorite experiences, going fishing with local fishermen. Picture this. You're on a small wooden boat before sunrise, the Mediterranean stretching endlessly before you. The fishermen are sharing their centuries-old techniques, telling jokes in broken English, and showing you how to spot the best catch. Then, they'll likely invite you to a taverna where the fish you caught will be grilled to perfection, served with local wine and endless stories. These fishing trips aren't just about catching fish, they're about catching glimpses of real Greek life. You might learn traditional fishing songs, hear tales of ancient sea gods, or discover family recipes passed down through generations. The best part? These experiences are authentic, unscripted, and create memories that last a lifetime. The Greece I'm talking about isn't found in luxury resorts or popular islands. It's in the laughter shared over ouzo with locals, in the spontaneous invitation to a village wedding, or in the quiet moment when a yaya, grandmother, teaches you her secret recipe for moussaka. So next time you're planning a trip to Greece, remember, the real treasure isn't just in those postcard-perfect views. It's in the unexplored paths, the genuine connections, and the authentic experiences that await those brave enough to venture beyond the tourist trail. Trust me, this is the Greece that will steal your heart and keep calling you back. Don't forget to like and subscribe to help us grow our channel. Thank you for watching and ring that bell to receive notification on new videos.